Memories fade away, with or out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, look around.
Hey lit family, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tina here. I'm back again with another banger vlog. So today is another day of content creating. So I'm just going to create content, and then I'm just going to buy food, and then I'm just going to chill. I don't know how the rest of the day is going to be. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, join the lit family here. And if you're returning, you know what to do. Share the video, leave a comment, leave all the loves and the likes, you know, do all those nice things. So let's start this vlog already. I know it's going to be interesting, because why not? So from here I'm just going to get food. I think I'm done with my photo shoot. As for me, I take a lot of photos and then I choose my favorites. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, obviously my handle is down there. Follow me, and yeah, let's chat there, let's get to know each other more there. So let's get started. Jepo tiga tiga四个啊6OK 4个还有那个要多少钱呢一块10块10块的10块一共多少？什么？一共多少钱？一个多少钱？对。38。6元几是吗？没了。再下一个服务。Off my conscience, missing places I feel lost, and I miss you, but I'm ready to move back to. Know you'd run to me like someday.
Heart is bleeding, I know the pieces. Which one is broken and one is weak? Because I have seen you fall apart, I have no rules or part to play. I didn't have anything to say. Follow your heart, but don't overtake it. If you leave it behind, someone will break you. I left you my heart, what did you do? You used it and abused it. You left me all sad and sad. Was my love untrue? Was it that bad? You have no answers in life. Don't know without you, how will I survive? Alone.
I knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons need a Sunday. I won't be leaving you open, but I'm yours. I guess I knew it was for nothing, spending all that time just running. I'm alright, don't miss you much these nights, don't worry. I don't know where you go, don't need to know more. Let this go. Let me get this off my conscience. Missing places I feel lost, and I miss you, but I'm ready to move back to. Knew you'd run to me like someday.
Heart is beating, I know the pieces. Which one is broken and one is weak? Because I have seen you fall apart. I have no rules or part to play. I didn't have anything to say. Follow your heart, don't overtake it. If you leave it behind, someone will break you. I left you my heart, what did you do? You used it and abused it. You left me all sad and sad. Was my love untrue? Was it that bad? You have no answers in life. Don't know without you, how will I survive? Alone.
To keep me on your mind, but I know all the things you meant when you said that we'd fight. I knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons need a Sunday. I won't be leaving you open, but I'm yours. I guess I knew it was for nothing, spending all that time just running. I'm alright, don't miss you much these nights, don't worry. I don't know where you go, don't need to know more. Let this go. Let me get this off my conscience. Missing places I feel lost, and I miss you, but I'm ready to move back to. Knew you'd run to me like someday.
Is beating, I know the pieces. Which one is broken and one is weak? Because I have seen you fall apart. I have no rules or part to play. I didn't have anything to say. Follow your heart, don't overtake it. If you leave it behind, someone will break you. I left you my heart, what did you do? You used it and abused it. You left me all sad and sad. Was my love untrue? Was it that bad? You have no answers in life. Don't know without you,